guys, what's up? I hope you're doing fine wherever you are. See the sun. Oh my goodness, if I turn like this, let's see. Muraho, murakozi, bitte. Guys, those are just great things I have learned from here. I am in Nyandungu Park. It's called Nyandungu Eco Park in the outskirts of Kigali, the outskirts of the city center. Look how it is. It is a quiet place where you can come, you can relax. If you have stress, you bring your book, you bring food, come with friends, walk around, you know. So when I was told about this park, I'm like, I need to visit here just to stroll. I'm not doing anything heavy, not doing, you know, too much walking. Even I'm wearing my sandals. I don't want to get tired. I just want to, you know, unwind, relax, and then later I just go back. Okay, so I will be showing you around what is happening. We have lots of indigenous trees, you know, that even I've never seen, even some, you know. And I'm meeting right now. You might not see people here because it's not like too much crowded. I don't know why, because they say during the weekend it's a little bit crowded, but I didn't see a lot of people. I've met some, and I just paid 1,500 franc, which is like I think around $2 kind of. I'm not sure, but it's 1,500 franc to get inside here. Yeah, so it depends also on where you come from. So if you're coming from East Africa, it's a different price. You're coming from Europe and all that, but it's not really a lot of money, you know. So let's have fun in Nyandungu National Park. It's called Nyandungu Eco Park. So this is our way today. It has a lot of places where you can go. You can just go, you know, inside if you want to go inside the forest or inside the trees, or I don't know. But I think it's really just nice to walk around, you know, and it's all clean. See how it looks like, you know. A lot of people are here, security are here, you know, like see, let's see this map. So it says I am here. Yeah, so this is just the direction of this park because it's huge. It is huge. So there is this way here, and then there is this other way here, and then this is where I just came from, and then there is this way here. You can see some people there, and then there is this way. So if you're riding a bike here, it's really, really advantageous. See this design. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love it here. I can just sit here and sleep, like, you know. And I will be showing you, like, this is an indigenous tree. Like, I don't know if you can see it because of the sun, but oh yeah, it's on this other side. Yeah, so you know, this is how it looks like. Super nice, you know. It's green everywhere. So let's try to go this direction. Another thing is, the reason why it's super clean is because, you know, there is trash, garbage, whatever, I don't know. This is, you can put your garbage. You are not allowed to throw anything. You have to put it there. So let's try this direction. Guys, someone is praying. I'm telling you, this place is super calm. That lady is praying as she walks around this place. Isn't that amazing? Like, seriously, that's super cool. You can hear her from my background, you know. And I think I'm going back to where I came from. This is the way, and this is how it looks like. I'm super touched. I'm really touched with that lady praying as she walks. You know, you can just release all your stress here, and you go back home relaxed, you know. were talking about the cleanliness, yeah? Yeah. So I was saying like, unfortunately, I will not be able to participate for the monthly event. So tell me about it a little bit.
In Rwanda, we have every last Saturday of the month. We have what we call umuganda. It's
Umuganda,
a
yeah.
community work.
Yeah.
We used to clean our places, especially people clean their houses, and even in front of their houses. Just a little place at the front of their houses. So if everyone clean their houses and in front of their houses, the country is clean. Yeah, that's
so let me ask you, like, I thought, I thought like people come like from their homes to the city to clean. So it's just that you are responsible for where you are. It's not like you have to come to the city.
Yeah, it's different every Saturday. There is a Saturday that we take a place. Like we say, today we are going to clean this place. Like for example, it's where there is a risk of erosion, like we go to plant trees and do something to prevent from erosion so that we can prevent some disasters. That's a common one when we gather in the same place. And mostly in that case, we have the leaders, local leaders, and even it might be a large-scale event that can be also included into the governors, district governors or province. He would even present himself and come. Sometimes we do Uganda together.
Oh, that's really nice.
And
I hope one day I'll be able to attend.
Yeah, that's good.
Visitors are allowed to attend?
Yeah, sure. Everyone is allowed.
Everyone,
Because when we do Muganda, there is no other action that is being done. Most of people are going to Muganda, and then after Muganda, we do a gathering to discuss what if they were issuing into the people, depression issues, people's like other community issues, so that can be resolved. Instead of going to court judges, we resolve them there.
That's really nice. Wow.
To make people just unite themselves to solve some conflict, a little conflicts there. But in some days we don't gather just in a common place. They can say that today we are going to clean our places,
our homes, our workplaces and everything.
In front of the homes, so that
that's really nice. Thank you so much. That was so well explained.
That's why you see a lot of places look clean. Because we take that as a culture. Even when someone takes like a biscuit or bombo, you know that you have to take that thing until you get to the dustbin.
To the dustbin.
Sure.
Wow. Wow. That's really nice. Thank you so much. This is a very beautiful park to just walk around. If you have stress, you want to chill, you want to read a book, you can just walk here. It's super beautiful, super calm. A lot of people are here. Let me just show you the view. So that's the view. The sun is a little bit up right now, so I don't want to face the other direction because it will affect the quality of the video. Otherwise I will be just walking this way. Such a very beautiful place. It goes all the way to that area. Let me just show you. It's super big. It's called Nyandungu Eco Park. So here you will be able to see all types of natural trees. Like for example this one. This is very natural. It's indigenous tree. All these are indigenous trees. You can never see this one anywhere else. Like it's mostly in a forest, So guys, I met those people, and speak me in Rwandan or Rwandese language. I told you people think I am, from here. muraho, and then I said bite, and I was very, very confident about it. And later when I told them that I don't understand the rest of the words that they asked me, they were really surprised, and they asking me, where are you from? I told them, and they were like, oh, they couldn't even they could confuse me with, Rwandese ladies. I look like the locals. I am blending. Alright, let's continue exploring the park. So this park is super big. I cannot even finish it. I am in the middle of it and it's still going all the way to that other side. You know, let me see if I can put that. This park has a restaurant. You can just sit down, you know, choose what you want to eat. As you can see, these are the foods. They offer everything that you want. They offer everything. So after a long walk in the park, you can come here. They have drinks as well, different kinds of drinks. Yeah, whatever you want to choose. This is a park restaurant. You can just eat here after walking, and you can eat outside as well. So they have outside and, you know, inside. I just finished eating my dinner. Oh my goodness, they have really nice food. That's it for today. It's been a very nice walk. It's almost time to go back, and I have had a good time. I met some Kenyans here as well. I met the locals. We talked, you know. Of course, they don't want to appear on camera, which I respect that, which is okay for me. Yeah. So I've had a good time. So I hope to see you in the next one.